Watch carefully as the journey of a simple soda begins. First, the can is opened, and the woman takes a sip through the straw. The liquid enters her mouth and starts its path inside the body. Next, the soda moves down the esophagus, the muscular tube that connects the throat to the stomach. Its glowing trail makes the pathway clearly visible. As it reaches the stomach, the liquid mixes with powerful digestive acids. Bubbles and fizz rise up, showing the first reaction between soda and the stomach lining. From here, the body begins to process it. The liver and bloodstream start absorbing the chemicals and sugar, sending them through the system. The intestines continue this process, passing nutrients and energy into circulation. Every part of the digestive system plays a role in handling what was just a sip of soda. Finally, we see the entire body cut away, the organs glowing as the soda's path lights up the system. A complete journey, from one sip to full absorption. This simple drink reminds us how every sip we take begins a complex journey inside the body, from mouth to stomach, from bloodstream to every organ.